gents. Hello, welcome. Another vloggy. This right here is stage 1 to the right in the Catskills. Catskill TT. But instead we're going straight. We're going through Hancock. Because I gotta make a grocery store stop. Get some steak, get some beer, get some bread, get some snacks, ice cream maybe. Can't show up to my mom's house without a steak, so I'm gonna get a nice little ribeye or maybe a New York strip. It'll be delicious. So we'll just take it up, up, this way. Wrong Eddie. Love this business here. I wish they would do something here. Wait, what? There was a motorcycle there. That was beautiful. I should have pulled over. Damn. It's okay. Over here, we got something. Coffee sandwiches. Cute. Long Eddie. I like this little area here. Nice section. Yeah, I've been basically riding from New York City. I left around 11 and now it's 3. Get some supplies and then chill out, get home, hang out with mom and sis, and then maybe probably just relax as well, listen to my little James Bond book. No harm. That's a nice little pull up here right by the river. Creepy. Stop over there. I already saw a bunch of deer on the way, so they're definitely out and about. 2 dead. Actually saw a bunch of state troopers dragging it right from the middle of the road. Blood everywhere, but you know, that happens. A little bit cooler here. The fall is coming. Gorgeous. There's nothing like a ride where you're not in a rush. Like right now I'm not in a rush. I have a destination, but I don't have like a estimate of time. If anything, I'm like 2 hours early. So that's why I'm kind of stopping here, there, and everywhere, and I'm going extra far for no reason. Adding a couple of extra miles. 20,205 miles. Not bad. Not good though. Need more miles. Definitely trying to hit 21,000 by the end of the year. Yes. It's freaking August still. We're gonna try to go for like at least 22,000. Maybe 23,000. Yep. Clouds are crazy behind me. Oh, I'm so excited for the evening. I'm so excited. Salsa Shack? What? The fuck is Salsa Shack? Huh, I should look that up. What is a Salsa Shack? That said, yeah. Excited to see the stars. Hopefully it's a clear night. I guess we shall see. Klondike Road. The GPS wants me to do a little bit of a shortcut. But no, we're gonna do the whole 97, start to finish. Pretty. Well, that's a property right there. Yeah. That's a freaking pond and lake. Gorgeous. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna clean the chain on this baby, lube it, and then I gotta use my drone to inspect the roof. It might be time to fix the roof. So we're gonna take care of that. Pretty windy today. We'll see how it is. This road here, not bad, but not doing it. Elevation 1,836 feet, Route 97, baby. So great. Ooh, look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Gorgeous little golf course. Forgot what it's called. That's funny. Ooh, these cabins, man. Damn. Bass Cabins. I should look that up. Bass Cabins 3 and 4. Interesting. Man, this area is bling, bling, bling. Beautiful views. Look at that country club. Wide open views. French woods. Nice. The wind is blowing me around, blowing me about. Here we go. 7 miles until Main Street in Hancock. I'm not trying to go too fast now, but this little turn. This kind of dips down. You can't see. The temperatures are dropping. It's 64 now. But we're super close. Over here as well. Delaware River access to the left. That's a cool little spot. Nice little pull off. I dig it. Watch out for wildlife. Oops. Watch out for middle lane. Oh, the air is so fresh air. So nice. Nobody in the back. The person up front way ahead. We're good. Sun feels good. For a while I was in such a cloudy situation, and now we got sun. That's perfect. This banana, he doesn't want me. Okay. Thank you. Thought about eating some Mexican food, but I'm not sure that's the risk I want to take right now. Eggs. We got eggs, boy. Nice. Sorry, no eggs. That's funny. So, do you have eggs or do you not have eggs? God damn it. You sons of bitches. Guess not. No eggs for you. This is like a little ice cream shop. Ice cream slash random little things. Little river access over here to the left. Big fan of this as well. Right there. Go down. It's cool. And here's where we enter the town of Hancock. We are now in Hancock. Beautiful, gorgeous village of Hancock. Look at this red barn. Think it's red enough? I'd say it's plenty red. That looks like a scary place. Nice porch. I dig that. Big dog. I dig that. Cool little sheds. I definitely dig that. Bowling in the Hancock. This is the Memorial Bridge. We got another bridge to the left here. We're gonna go to the left. Circle Diner to the right, but today that's not where we're going. Yo. Pretty cute. Yo. We got a dispensary over here. Pretty funny. And here we go. We are here. We are at the grocery store. So, I'm gonna pull in here, and I shall talk to you guys soon. Alright. Oh, I gotta look something up first. Alright, bye-bye.